Do you still measure tire tread depth by the traditional way? Slow. Cannot see clearly. LEMATEC tire tread depth gauge. Fast. Simple. Convenient. As long as the measurement standards are set in advance. The elderly and children can also easily operate. Operation instruction. Set measuring calibration. Rotated this part to set the measuring calibration. Below the standard calibration. It means that the tread depth is sufficient for continued use. Exceed the standard calibration. The tread depth isn't enough. Warning sound remind. Beep beep. LED light. Every type of tire could easily measure. Instruction to replace the battery. 1. Remove the cover. 2. Gently pull out the battery holder. 3. Gently push to remove the battery. 4. Install a new battery. 5. Align the places to install the battery holder. 6. Install the cover.